Ang pangatlong babala na sinabi po ni Propeta Juan tungkol po sa ating mga huling araw na tayo ay binabalaan na tayo ay bumalik sa ating Panginoong Diyos at ang ating pananampalataya. Ang fresh water po or the rivers ay magto-turn into blood according to chapter 16 verses 4 to 7 in the book of Revelation. Ulitin ko, may mga time din po ako na ako ay nagdududa kung ang Biblia nga ay totoo at nang ako ay kumukuha ng aking doctorate degree, may isang subject po ako na studies of different culture and religion. Likas po sa isang tao kahit mangmang man siya, kahit siya ay may edukasyon na nananalig siya sa isang creator or Panginoon na gumawa sa kanya. So, itong hulang ito ay research ko further kung totoo nga na ang mga hulang ito ay meron din factual information na makikita natin sa ating kapaligiran at sa science. So, here are some of the rivers that have turned red or have been significantly affected by pollution. Ang Rio Tinto sa Spain, this river's name means red river due to its acidic and metal-rich composition resulting from approximately 5,000 years of ore mining including copper, silver, gold, and other minerals. Kaya po napupulyot dahil nga sa tao na sinisira po natin ang ating kalikasan at hindi tayo marunong mag-manage ng ating waste materials. Ang Yangtze River sa China, in 2012, a stretch of this river turned red near Chongqing due to pollution. The river is heavily polluted with industrial waste, plastic pollution, agricultural runoff, and untreated sewage. Ang other po na countries na heavily polluted ay ang Indonesia, si Tarum River, considered one of the most polluted rivers globally. It receives over 20,000 tons of waste and 340,000 tons of wastewater daily from textile factories and other industries. Ang India po, Ganges River. So, tingnan mo po, wala pang mapa noon, wala pang geo satellite, pero nakita na po ito ng ating propetang Juan. Daily untreated sewage and industrial waste flow into the river of Ganges, making its water toxic with high levels of pollutants. Sa Bangladesh po, Buri Ganga River suffers from chemical waste, domestic garbage, medical waste, sewage, dead animals, plastic and petroleum, emitting a foul smell and unable to support aquatic life. Matansa, Riachuelo River in Argentina. Ito po ay also polluted ng industrial waste, particularly heavy metals from numerous factories along its banks. Marilao River ng Pilipinas at Pasig River po natin na natreat sana ito ni Pangulong Duterte sa time niya, pero polluted po siya ng toxic chemicals and heavy metals, tanneries, textile factories, piggeries, gold refineries, and municipal dams. And because of this pollution po, ang mga sakit na po ng ating panahon ay mga kanser dahil po sa pag-aabuso ng ating kalikasan. So, pangatlong hula na po ito at nakita ng ating propetang Juan at ito po ay nangyayari sa ating kapanahunan.